Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete Facebook page. So first of all, open your Facebook apps. First log in your Facebook account and switch your Facebook page. Look at this my Facebook page dashboard. Look at the right corner, tap onto three line. After that click on setting icon. Scroll down. Click on access and control. Click on. Select the delete page option. Continue. Continue. Tap on your profile password. Tap on to continue. Continue. And then finally click on to delete page, then successfully delete Facebook page. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.